in this video we're going to look at solving an inequality, and the inequality is up on the right hand side of the screen, and instead of an equal sign we have a less than or equal to sign, and you're going to treat that the same as you would any equal sign. So we're going to write the equation down and zoom in on the equal sign or the less than equal to sign. And on the left hand side, I've already made that green because we are going to distribute just like we would if we were solving an equation. You're going to start by distributing through the parentheses. So multiplying the negative 2 in is going to give us negative 8x minus 8 less than or equal to, and then bring the other side of the equation down. And at this point, we're going to start moving across. So we're going to do opposites. I'm going to move the negative 2x by adding it to both sides, and that's going to give us a negative 6x minus 8 on the left. And we're going to bring the 10 down and keep the symbol, and then we're going to move the negative 8 by adding it to the other side, and that's going to give us negative 6x is less than or equal to 18. And just like we would in an equation, we're going to divide by that negative 6. That's going to cancel the negative 6's on the left hand side. The big thing about inequalities is if you're multiplying or dividing by a negative, you're going to flip that sign. So you're going to flip the symbol facing the other direction and then do the math as you see it. So that's going to be x is greater than or equal to negative 3 because you're dividing positive 18 by negative 6. That's actually our algebraic solution. So that's our answer for step 1. And then looking at this solution, it's a greater than, which means when we're writing interval notation, it increases to positive infinity. If x is greater than or equal to negative 3, it's going to increase to positive infinity from that negative 3. Because we have an equals, we have an equal to, we're going to put a bracket on the negative 3. So our interval notation is bracket negative 3, comma, positive infinity. And we're going to graph the solution just like the interval notation. We're going to put a bracket on negative 3 and shade all the way up to infinity, and then just put a parentheses at the other end. And that is the solution to this inequality.